Today we're gonna solve the Cookie Monster secret recipe challenge in the Web Exploitation category. Cookie Monster has hidden his top secret cookie recipe somewhere on his website. As an aspiring cookie detective, your mission is to uncover this delectable secret. Can you outsmart Cookie Monster and find the hidden recipe? You can access the Cookie Monster here, and good luck. Okay, let's open this up in a new tab. So this being in the web exploitation category, I'm guessing browser cookies? Question mark. Okay, so let's inspect and switch to storage, maybe? Oh, look, we have a cookie. So it has stored this cookie. Let's copy up the cookie data, pop it over in Cyberchef. We notice the %3D at the end, so that should be probably URL decode. And this looks like an base64 string to me. So let's pop that recipe, and there we go. This is our flag. Cookie Monster loves cookies. Oh, how lovely. So let's pop the flag over here. And there we go. If you've enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe to be notified when I post more CTF challenges, keep the algorithm happy, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.